Hey there, welcome to Ultimez Technology YouTube channel. Do you want to learn about DevOps, the hot buzzword in the IT industry? Well, you're in the right place. We've got an exciting video for you today that will take you on a journey to explore what DevOps is and how it can help organizations achieve their goals faster and more efficiently. So, buckle up and get ready to become a DevOps pro. Are you tired of hearing the same old story about silos in software development? Well, DevOps is here to break that cycle. DevOps is a set of practices that bring together software development and IT operations. The goal of DevOps is to deliver high-quality software at a faster pace while maintaining reliability, security, and stability. In other words, DevOps is all about working smarter, not harder. Now, you might be wondering, why is DevOps important? Well, the answer is simple. DevOps has become a crucial aspect of software development because it can accelerate the software delivery process, reduce time to market, improve collaboration between teams, increase efficiency and productivity, and enhance customer satisfaction. And who doesn't want that, right? So, let's dive deeper into how DevOps works. Imagine you're working on a project that requires you to develop a new feature for your website. With traditional methods, this process would involve multiple teams, and each team would work on their specific tasks, which can lead to delays, miscommunication, and errors. But with DevOps, the entire process is streamlined, and all teams work together in a collaborative manner. DevOps uses various tools and techniques such as automation, continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment to ensure that the software is delivered quickly and efficiently. Now, let's take a real-life example to make things more interesting. Have you ever ordered food online and wondered how it magically appears at your doorstep? Well, DevOps is the magic behind it. The development team works on developing the app, and the operations team ensures that the app runs smoothly, while the quality assurance team tests the app to ensure that it's bug-free. All of these teams work together to deliver high-quality food, quickly and efficiently, right to your doorstep. In conclusion, DevOps is not just a buzzword. It's a game changer in the IT industry, and it can help organizations achieve their goals faster and more efficiently. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what DevOps is and how it works. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on the latest trends in technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you